Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick update with you guys on my seeds that I planted last week. So these are the green beans. These are the black beans. This is lettuce right here. Let's see them all coming up. And these are the peas. So I have them outside. They're being kept in the house, but I have them outside. Trying to just get them used to getting hardened off a little bit, getting used to the weather out here. And then I'm going to plant them probably this weekend sometime. And then I'll show you my zucchini. They're coming along so good. Okay, so here is the zucchini. These are my 8-ball zucchini here, and all 6 have bloomed so far. They're all little seedlings, and these are going to be planted in the garden this weekend as well. I only have 1 banana squash so far, and I've looked at the other ones, and so far I don't see anything. They should be all about the same, in the same stage, but it doesn't look like the other ones are going to bloom, or germinate, I should say. So we'll give it a few more days. We'll see what's going on with that. And then these are the tomatoes that I broke off from on purpose from my tomato bushes right here. They have tomatoes on them. They're looking good. I'm going to plant these as well. Put a little of my Thrive rooting hormone in there. And I've also been feeding these with my Super Thrive stuff too, and I'll show you guys that later. This is my spinach. I don't know if I could take this off with one hand. Let's see. Okay, so this is my spinach, my chocolate peppers, and my lettuce, and so far I don't see anything. They should be germinating sometime this weekend. We'll figure that out. Let's go look at the garden real quick. Okay, so I want to show you guys really quickly. All of these tomatoes are just going crazy. All of the blooms on these little things. These are last year's tomatoes. They're looking amazing. They are just blooming like crazy. Look at that. All kinds of tomatoes on them. These are all mixed in. My cherry tomatoes, my black cherry tomatoes, my sun gold. Over here, these are all my sun golds. These are just coming amazingly. And then the ones that we planted, these are all doing really well. Especially this guy. It's just blooming like crazy. There we go. Show you guys the pepper. Okay, so here is my sun gold, and this one is doing really well. This is in a pot. And then we have the Tequila Sunrise peppers that are just going crazy. Now, I've never grown these, but they look amazing. I don't know how they're going to taste, but I will let you guys know. But yeah, this is my garden, guys. So I just want to do a quick update. I'm going to be doing some canned beans. I'm also going to be doing something on Heather's channel, Kneady Homesteader. So stay tuned for that. So that's what's coming up, and more garden updates this weekend. And I'm looking for really good strawberries to can to make strawberry jam out of with our Pomona Pectin. And that is coming soon. I just have not found really good strawberries yet. They're in bloom here in Ventura County where I live, and I've just got to find the right ones that I like to make jam out of. Usually they're Chandlers or some other kinds that I really like, but I really haven't found them, and the ones that I have found are $40 for a flat, and I'm not paying that. They're about $18 to $20 for a flat, which is normal price. So I'll look this weekend and find them, you guys. So stay tuned for that too. It's just a quick channel update. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a great weekend.